Okay, hello everyone. Hi, how are you? This is Kei, and today's 2nd of June on Friday. So happy Friday everyone, and thank you very much for coming back to my other live stream today. So yeah, let me get ready to start the live. So let me see. So okay, so today there was a big news, non-farm payrolls, and did you check the chart? Did you check charts exactly when the news happened today? Let me see. Okay, now I'm ready, so let me switch trading view. Okay. Alright, so today I have no trades because there was a big news, and yeah, so far no trades, but after live maybe I may take trade because I do see some trending pairs right now. So again, this one, if you're new to Forex or trading, this is one of the biggest news every month, non-farm payrolls in the US. So the result was positive, better than previous and better than consensus. So usually when you see this situation, then this currency will usually be bought. But today looks like if you check the strings chart quickly, then here's a USD, and USD orange. USD was bought, but then retraced very nice. So that means the impact at the news was not really that big. And after that, the USD currency has been ranging flat. So, and today JPY is bearish, and right now pound is bullish, green pound is not bullish, and then also blue Australian dollars is also bullish. So let's check AUD JPY and pound JPY first from the strings chart. So first AUD JPY. Okay, so AUD JPY today is bullish. Today alone, the market went up 120 pips. So that's a big bullish market today. However, the price is now on the resistance, 92.36. So today, I don't think I will trade. I wait for the daily candlestick close above the resistance, and then next week I plan to buy if I find good opportunity on this one. Otherwise, the market may retrace to the Kijun Sen or the trend line because it has been supported multiple times before. So the market may retrace to the trend line and then bounce and goes up. So it's either the market breaks today and next week continue to be bullish, or it just actually breaks after the retracement. It's a scenario. So yeah, either way, right now may not be the best timing to trade. So that's AUD JPY. And in terms of the weekly time frame, that resistance is also on the weekly, and the prices are now within the Kumo. So if the market breaks the resistance, then breaks the Kumo on the weekly, then we may see a big bullish trend. Yeah, so which may happen in the month of June. So let's monitor AUDJPY for the next couple of weeks. Okay, all right. Let me say hi to everyone now. Thanks for joining, everyone. Good to see you, and happy Friday. All right. Joe Story, thanks for joining, and Augustine, good to see you, and Kevin, thanks for joining too. Travel, good to see you, and Win, thank you very much for joining, and Michaelis, good to see you too, and Augustine, thanks for joining too. Yeah, that's NFP was a good result today. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that's AUDJPY. So, and at the moment, AUD is the strongest and JPY is the weakest. So looks like AUDJPY is the most volatile market among all the pairs. But again, since it's near the resistance on the daily time frame, we don't want to jump in the trade. Okay, alright Kim, thanks for joining. Good to see you. And BB Gaming also, thank you very much for joining. Yeah, so that's AUDJPY. So now let's check Pound JPY. I see Pound JPY was also bullish today, and yeah, looks like it is now still. It has been continuously bullish. So yeah, I think today we may see some opportunities. If you took the trade on Pound JPY today, then you can still keep holding, because the next resistance level is 175.04, which is all the way back here. At that level, 175.04, there were support and the resistance. So that means today it may reach that level. So you can set TP on 175.04, and once the market reaches there, you just exit and take profit. That's one of the scenarios, because this is Friday today. Yeah, or you take trade from Monday or Tuesday next week. So that's Pound JPY. Now Kumo is looking very nice. Kumo has a thickness to it. So whenever I see Kumo very thick like this and long, this means that this is stably bullish. So the market nicely consolidated between 2nd of May and 17th of May. That's why Kumo gets thicker, and now it has been bullish. The trend is not that stable, however, because looks like we have so many dojis and so many wicks on these candles. So yeah, this may not really the best pair to follow uptrend. So although you buy now, you may reach 175.04, and you may be able to take profit of around 60 pips or so, but you won't be able to expect bigger pips on this one, I think. So, or the market may hit your stop loss and then goes towards that direction without your positions. This may happen too, because of this choppy market. So if you buy and hold in the long term, Pound JPY may be the good option, but maybe not for an intraday traders. So that's what I notice. Every time I look at the charts, I do look at the Ichimoku lines and also how candles are forming. If I see choppy market, choppy candles, although Kumo is up, Kijun-sen up, Tenkan-sen up, Chikou-span above candles, I have to be careful to take trade. So pound JPY is now bullish, so let me just in case mark. And also let me check the weekly time frame too. So weekly time frame is also showing bullish. It broke that resistance 172.24 and it has been bullish for the last 2 weeks. So yeah, pound JPY is now becoming one of the best pairs to trade. So yeah, so that's also a nice market to watch. And then I was also watching Euro Pound. Maybe some of you took the trade on Euro Pound today because it's downtrending. But yesterday was doji. This is a daily time frame. So yesterday was doji, and today's a very small candlestick. So this market is still not really trending down today. So although Kumo is down, Kijun Sen down, Chikou span below candles, and we do see a downtrend situation on all these lines on Ichimoku, you may not want to trade on this one because the market may retrace in this case. Because there was a doji yesterday and today's candlestick is very small. So once the market starts to retrace, it may go up to the Tenkan-sen here. The blue one is called Tenkan-sen. So in Tenkan-sen is on 0.8642. So the market may retrace. So yeah, Euro Pound is downtrending. It's bearish. So in the long term, this is bearish. But just watch out on the retracement is my advice. Okay, and also if I quickly also check the weekly time frame, weekly is now bearish. Kumo is now bearish, that's nice. And Kijun Sen is up, Tenkan Sen is down, and Chikou span is still touching the candlestick. So the best scenario in this case to trade is to wait for the Chikou span breakout. Yeah, we wait for the Chikou span breakout, and that happens when the market breaks the support 0.8549. So if it happens next week or sometime in the month of June, I think that will be the best timing to trade. So that's a Euro Pound. So okay, so Euro Pound is like that. And also let's see, Euro CAD is also bearish. So this week it broke the Kijun Sen on the weekly time frame, and Chikou span is now touching. So since it broke the Kijun Sen on the weekly, although Kumo is bullish and Kijun Sen is up, this uptrend is no more. But rather this is now downtrend, and it may reach to the next support level, which is down here, 1.4235, or may go back down to the Kumo on the weekly. So Euro CAD is now downtrend in terms of the weekly time frame, and then if you also look at the daily, it's also bearish. So Euro CAD downtrend looks better than Pound JPY. If you compare these two markets, so I put the Euro CAD on the left side, both daily time frame, and Pound JPY on the right side, and I can see that the candlesticks are more, clean on EuroCAD, because after the breakout of this range, it has been nicely bearish. But Pound JPY is bullish, but the candlesticks are a bit too spiky, too choppy, dojis and wicks. So this may be a bit tricky. So in this situation, I prefer to choose Euro CAD to trade. So that's something that you can also consider which one to choose to trade. You have to check also the candlesticks patterns and candlestick situations to decide which one to trade. Alright, hello Kevin, good to see you. Okay, Hijab, good to see you too. Thank you very much for joining, you're welcome. Thank you for the comment. And Wong, good to see you. Nguyen, thank you for joining, good to see you too. Alright, Gamer, good to see you. Emeka, thank you for joining. Alright, Nasdaq, let me check later. Now let me focus on Forex. But I will get back to that. Yeah, pound JPY is now bullish. Yeah, it's bullish, but it's a bit choppy. Dojis and wicks. So, this may not be the best pair to trade. Alright, hello Gabby. Thanks for joining. Okay. Okay, thanks for joining. Faber also, good to see you. Cat JPY. Alright, let me check that one later. So, again, Euro CAD is downtrend, so let me check this one. And so if I do analysis more deeper, then this market broke the support of 1.4492. Yeah, there were two supports and it broke. And Kumo is now nicely bearish. Kijun Sen is down, Tenkan Sen down, and Chikou span below candles. So since it broke the support, I think the next initial target is going to be on here, on 1.4327. Then the ultimate target is on 1.4235. So I put down arrow on this pair now. Yeah, I used to say that this is bullish until this date, the 3rd of May, but since 4th of May, the market went down after double top and the neckline breakout. And then the market broke the Kumo, so it's now bearish. So that's EuroCAD. Okay, and then let me also check some more pairs. I was also watching, which one was it? Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, Pound AUD didn't break the resistance, but instead it just went round retrace. Actually retraced down to Kijun Sen on the daily. So in this case, I will delete up arrow until I see the bullishness again. So Pound AUD is no more bullish now. Okay, and Swiss franc, Pound Swiss franc is bullish after the breakout of that resistance 1.126 level or 7 level. This pair is also bullish, but yeah, this is also a bit too choppy, and the market is near the resistance now. So yeah, this is a bit too choppy, and also in terms of the daily time frame, the Kumo is too small. So whenever you see the Kumo too small or too thin like this, this means that the market is overbought. So I think next week this pair may retrace. So that means Swiss franc may get strong on this pair than pound next week. Or it may consolidate. It may consolidate and range until it breaks bullish again. And it may take time. It may take few days or few weeks for the range market. So pound Swiss franc, I think the best option is to wait for the breakout of that resistance So let me continue to share some more analysis on these trades. Okay, let's see. So AUDJPY. Again, this pair is now about to break that resistance. So we have to wait for that to happen. 92.36 level. We have 1-2 resistances. So wait for that breakout and then buy next week. Okay. AUD Swiss franc is now retracing and it's going within the Kumo. So in this case, I don't want to take trades. Most likely I will be away from the chart. And this pair also had a W bottom. And once the neckline breaks, the market will turn bullish. It will be within the Kumo, but this neckline was also the previous resistances and support. So once it breaks, I think the market will be bullish. So you can expect the market breaks the Kumo and continue to be bullish after that. But until the market breaks the resistance, the market may range or retrace. So you don't want to take trades until the break happens on this one. So that's AUD Swiss franc. Okay. And CAD JPY. Yeah, so CAD JPY is not bullish too. I was also watching this pair. So first, daily analysis is that the market broke the resistance and Kumo has been nicely thick and long. So this market is really nice. I think the market goes up to 105.86, which is the next resistance level as a target. It's up here. So until the market reaches there, there's no resistances. It was just pure I wave. So we have lots of room, like 193 pips to trade. So CAD JPY is also one of the best pairs to trade. And also let me check the weekly. A weekly time frame shows it's about to break the Kumo. So for today, I think you can just relax and just be away from this market because this is Friday. And you come back next week, Monday, Tuesday, and buy and follow uptrend. And if next week, if it breaks Kumo, or in the month of June, if it breaks Kumo, then I'm sure that will be bullish. So I think CAD JPY looks also very good to trade. Okay. Alright, hello Wee, thanks for joining, to see you. Okay, AUDJPY covered already. Alright. So Cohen, good to see you. You're welcome, thanks for the comment. Alright Justin, thanks for joining too. Okay. So that's CAD JPY. So now let me check some more other pairs, other markets. So let me check gold also. XAUUSD gold. Okay, gold has been ranging, no trends and no trades for me, but overall it has been bullish. So my analysis remains the same. The market has been supported by the trend line once and twice, 3 times and 4 times. So to me, gold is still bullish in the long term. So looks like it didn't break the trend line a few days ago, and it didn't break Kumo. So I think I will delete these horizontal lines and put up arrow above the trend line. But since Kumo is now flat, Kijun Sen is also flat. It has been ranging So, and the prices are within the Kumo. So the market can be very spiky. So I think the next trading option is to wait for the trend line bounce, which may happen sometime next week, and then buy. Yeah, that's the scenario for this one. Yeah, but I think the market has been very choppy. Oh, and also I just realized that there was a previous support became resistances now on 1979. So that means from here it's today's downtrending, so it may reach the trend line again and then finally breaks. So I think the best option is not to buy at the pushback on the trend line, but wait for the breakout of 1979.2 area and then buy. Yeah, I think that would be the best option to trade on this one. Yeah, so gold has been ranging, so I have no trades on this one. And weekly chart is also still showing bullish. Yeah, weekly still shows the Kumo is bullish, Senko span A is up, Kijun Sen is also up, and Chikou span above candles. So yeah, I think the market continues to be bullish in the long term. So in the long term it's bullish. So again, the best option is to wait for the buying opportunity, not the selling opportunity on gold, unless it breaks the trend line. So that's XAUUSD. Okay, and then let me also check some index. Okay, so first Dow Jones. Dow Jones has been bullish now. So it broke the Kijun Sen on the daily, broke the Kumo. So next week may be bullish. And if we check the weekly time frame, it has been ranging and the Chikou span is touching. So I think I said this one, I said about this last week on Sunday's weekly forecast. I think yeah, I think we have to wait for the Chikou span breakout. Chikou span comes above the candles. So that means the prices will come up like this, above the candles. The Chikou span comes above the candles, and then buy. Or simply wait for the resistances breakout. 34, 538 area breakout. Now this is ranging. I think I will do analysis on Sunday also, but just for the heads up, this is called P wave. It's a triangle range, the P wave. So we have to wait for the breakout of the P wave also to be able to trade on this one. Yeah, and then let me also talk about Nasdaq. So Nasdaq has been bullish. Yeah, this is a weekly time frame, but Nasdaq is continuously bullish this week. Looks like it's closing with a bullish bar on the weekly time frame. And Kumo's up, Kijun Sen up, and Chikou span above candles too. So yeah, that's bullish. Since it broke the resistance, the market has been bullish now. Yeah, and also if you look at the daily time frame, the market is also bullish. And it has been supported by the Tenkan Sen once and twice, 3 times before. If you enter buy now, then buy and hold until it reaches the target or breaks the Tenkan Sen. So this is bullish. So Tenkan-sen I think will be bullish continuously. And then you can wait for the breakout of the Tenkan-sen to exit your trade. Or set target 15,284. So yeah, Nasdaq is not bullish. I think the market reaches to the next target sometime in June. And also, let me also do the analysis on the S&P 500 because it also broke the resistance today. So, as I mentioned before, this was also supported by the trend line. The market has been supported by the trend line once, twice, three times, and now it broke that resistance. So I think S&P 500 is also good to trade up to 43.26 area. So yeah, so finally, US index are now bullish. And yeah, let me see. Looks like the other indices are all flat. Nifty is not bullish. Nifty Kumo's up, Kijun-sen up, so it's bullish. So I think Nifty continue to go up to the next target, 18,887 area. And then yeah, Hansen today is bullish. But overall, still is downtrend because it's below the Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen. Still bearish on this one. Okay, so let me also check some more comments. Again, happy Friday, everyone. Thank you very much for joining. To see you. All right. Do you use Kuchi Ashi? I'm not sure about that one. I don't know. But if you mean by Heikin Ashi, then I don't. Yeah, CAD JPY is not bullish. So I already analyzed, so you can watch archive of my analysis. Okay, why says, do you look for your exit timing when 4-hour Kijun-sen is flat but you take your trade confirm? Confirm on daily time frame. Yeah, exit timing when 4-hour Kijun-sen is flat, then trend confirmation is also made by the 4-hour time frame. So I take either daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame to follow. Once I follow originally on the 4-hour time frame, then I stick to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Yeah, Pound USD, I already gave analysis, so you can watch archive. So basically I did all the Forex analysis, so let me check some other markets. Okay, so let me also do cryptos, Bitcoin. I know some of you trade cryptos, so let me see. So here's BTC USD, and the market has been flat now, but this is rather a bit bearish on the daily time frame because Kumo Senko span A is now pointing down. Yeah, so Senko span A is now pointing down, Kijun-sen is also pointing down, and Chikou span below candles. Yeah, so this is bearish downtrend, and looks like the market has been resisted by the Kijun-sen for the last 3 or 4 days. So as long as Kijun-sen remains down, the market will be below Kijun-sen and then downtrend in the short term. So in this case, the market may reach the support 25,822. So in this case, never buy the market. I don't trade cryptos, but if this were Forex, I would never buy. And also, let me check the weekly. Okay, so weekly time frame is now exactly within the Kumo. So that's why the market becomes really choppy on the lower time frames. Yeah, so the best option, the best of the best option is to wait for the Kumo breakout. But I think it will take a couple of months. So if you don't want to wait for the Kumo breakout and buy, then you can do analysis on the lower time frames to capture some entry opportunities. But now daily is bearish, so at least you want to wait for the daily to break Kijun Sen, and then Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen will be gold crossing when it happens, and then Chikou span comes above candles, and then I think that may be the best timing to buy. And expect the market breaks Kumo. Yeah, so that's one of the scenarios for the entries. Or simply wait for the Kumo breakout on the daily. I think that would be safer to wait for the Kumo and the resistance breakout and buy. Yeah, so sorry, I think that will be the best scenario. However, again, on the weekly, the markets are within the Kumo, so it may be choppy. So you have to be good at the risk management to be able to trade in this kind of market. Okay, Travel says, instead of joining KTS Academy, can I join GTS trading directly? Yes, you can. Yes. You don't have to join KTS Academy or Ichimoku community to join GTS. Okay, so that's my analysis on BTC USD. Okay, so yeah, looks like we have some trending markets. So again, today I picked some of the trending markets. Euro pound first is downtrending. So, but today, yesterday and today it's been doji and small candlestick. So today may not be the best timing to sell. So you can come back next week on Euro pound. And then Euro CAD is also bearish. I think this market is really good because it broke the support and stably downtrend. Broke the range in the support and stably going down. And then pound JPY is bullish. So it's reaching the target very close, about 60 pips or so will be the target. But it's also bullish, but the only concern is that the market has been a bit too choppy, too many dojis along the way, so you may get stopped out easily on this one. And then CAD JPY broke that resistance and now it's bullish continuously. And Kumo thickness is really nice and target is also very good, which we have 193 pips. So I think these four pairs are very good today. So on Sunday, I will do weekly analysis. So I choose the weekly time frame. And also, since this is a new month, I will also do analysis on the monthly time frame also, and give you an overall analysis on the markets. Okay, hello John, good to see you. Thanks for the comment. Alfred says, good afternoon. My broker spread on two different entity pairs is less than 2 pips each. Under those circumstances, would it be okay to trade these two pairs? Yeah, 2 pips is less than 2 pips is good. Yeah, so you can do that. Okay, please make some new videos about stop loss trading. I think I have some videos in the past already. You can search Forexkei and trading stop loss, and yeah, I think you can find some videos. But tomorrow I will share my performance in the month of May, and I think I will choose some of my trades analysis, and I will share my analysis and also my trades performance. So on these examples, you may be able to see some of my trading profits examples. Okay, so now I think I have to go, so I will finish the live stream. So thank you very much everyone for joining today, and yeah, I hope you have a great Friday today. So I think today in about 15 minutes or so, I will be doing the KTS Academy live stream, and in there I share my trade performance in the month of May, and I will share all my trades and also discuss about my impression in the month of May. Okay, so again, thank you very much everyone for joining today. I hope you have a great weekend ahead, and see you on the next one. So until then, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. またね. Thank you very much.